Hey everybody, let's in this video talk about how to use ImageView on Android. So, if I go to Toolbox and try to drag ImageView to my relative layout, he said you want to select any by default. I will select this one. This is just necessary but just to show you. If you see, this is the ImageView and this is the image inside it. I could change the size for ImageView to match parent as a width, as the height, also match parent to make it more bigger. Let me use some image from my phone. So I'm using this 3 image. I take copy, then I go to drawable, I say paste. I'm pasting all these 3 image. Now I want to change the image here. So if I go here, I just do view to show you. This is the main resource for image. I could change it to at drawable. Then I select, for example, 1. You see this is the 1 image for 1. I could select 2. This is the image for 2. I could select 3. This is the image for 3. So I could access to any images from here. Also, I could access to the image from the code by going to the source code, and let we suppose this ImageView will have this name, ImageView 2, or I would say AMG display. Make it this name only. Then here in main layout, say define ImageView. Name it image display, then do some casting for ImageView. Okay, then find the view by ID, look for ID, find the view by ID. What's the name of the view? r.id dot ImageView. This is my image display ImageView. Now I want to set the resource for ImageView. Just I say ImageView dot set what I'm setting. I would say set image resource. I say set image. See image resource. If you look in here is the image resource, you say give it resource ID. I know this means resource, drawable is a resource, so I would say okay, I will take from the drawable.r. I say r.drawable dot the image name, for example 2. So now when I run the application, I will see image 2 by code. I could set it. So okay, that's what I want to show in this video, how you use ImageView and how you set the value for ImageView from the code. Thank you for watching and see you next.